It's all divine, and so please treat everything you encounter as self. It truly is this way. When you hear me speak, please check in and make sure that you're not just hearing me give you concepts. I'm not describing anything outside of yourself. When you hear me speak, take it as your own nature calling you into a more pure recognition of your own self. When you hear me speak, it is your own self. I'm nothing but you. And you are nothing but this. It's not that everything is you personally. Please never take it as you exist and the person next to you or the stranger on the street is some sort of, what are they calling them? NPC, non-player characters, or they're just an apparition of your own mind. Although in one sense, everything is an apparition of mind, everything is also an apparition of self. So when you see the bum on the corner, that is self, and that is the divine self. Non-duality is the realization that all is one thing. It's all the appearance of one thing. And that one thing is the self. That self is not you alone. In fact, it is beyond you, yet pervades all of your being. And it is this way with everything that you see, with everybody you see and encounter, with everything you know. It's all divine, and so please treat everything you encounter as self. It truly is this way. And so when you hear me speak, if you're interested in abiding in this self and seeing clearly the truth, that pervades existence, the being consciousness of existence, take these words to be emanating from within you, for in truth they are. These words in my voice appear in your consciousness. Rather, they appear in consciousness. The difference there is the difference between duality and non-duality. For if it's your consciousness, that implies a consciousness external to you. If there's your body, that implies a body exists outside of you. If there's a within you, that automatically implies and further creates a scene external to you. This is how duality apparently arises, seems to appear within the singularity of isness. It appears when a concept is held such as I am. For even the concept I am, unless it's fully understood that everything is this I am, the novice practitioner will claim I am, and there will be an automatic implication that there are things that I am not. And this is untrue. All is self. So when you hear these words, know that it is self. The self. The singular being consciousness that is not yours and it is not mine, but it's hearing this and it is this. Know this and walk in this freedom. All my love.